Let's write a cursive writing using names of favorite food you love to eat. Now, I'm sure you love bread, don't you? What do you do with bread? Mommy make lovely sandwich for you. What's a sandwich? Bread, mommy put bread, butter. She cuts off the edges and makes it look very nice. Then she'll put vegetables or chicken or anything, egg, and pat it up. Or you put a cutlet in it and it's delicious sandwich. Between the bread, you can put anything to make it very delicious. Spell sandwich, SANDWICH. Let's write SANDWICH. Sandwich. Let's write S capital, SANDWICH. Sandwich. So, when you have extra classes, Mommy says, you keep this. In the evening, when you're hungry, you can eat this sandwich. Or you're going on a picnic, Mommy says, I'll prepare a nice sandwich for you. I'll prepare nice vegetable sandwich, egg sandwich, chicken sandwich. You can keep it and share with your friends. Now, sometimes you say, Mama, today's a special day. Make me some noodles. You love to eat noodles? And what Mommy puts into the noodle? Lots of lovely vegetables or chicken, anything, egg. And she makes it delicious. Spell noodles. Noodles. All of us love to eat noodles. Let's write Noodles. Noodles. Let's write in capital. N O O D L E S. Noodles. Some of you love to eat cheese. Different types of cheese, different flavored cheese. Sometimes you get thin slice of cheese. You can put it in the sandwich. Sometimes you get cubes, are very tasty. Yes? How do you spell cheese? CHEESE. 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 Different cheeses have different tastes and flavors. Let's write cheese. 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 Good. Let's write C capital. CHEESE. Cheese. Some children love to eat plain cheese. Yes, cheese is a very tasty milk product, isn't it? Okay, what's the next food you like to eat? Ice cream. When your birthday comes, you tell Mommy, please buy a big box of ice cream, put it in the fridge. Let's share it. Let me share it with my friends. And what ice cream would you like? There are different flavors of ice cream. Yes? Okay, how do you spell ice cream? ICECREAM. Cream. Ice cream. What's your favorite flavor? Strawberry ice cream. Good. Let's write ice cream. ICECREAM. I. C. R. E. A. M. Ice cream. Let's write I capital. I. C. E. C. R. E. A. M. Ice cream. Let's look at the 4 favorite food you love to eat. Sandwich. 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 Noodle. NOODLES. Noodles. Next, cheese. 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 Ice cream. ICECREAM. Ice cream. Let's take a next set of your favorite food to write a cursive writing. Sometimes tell mommy, let's order a lovely, delicious, your special flavor pizza. You like to have pizza with a lot of cheese on it and whatever flavor you ask mommy to order. What is the spelling of pizza? Pizza. Pizza. And how do you cut it? Half, then you cut it into quarter, again you cut it, yes, all lovely triangle. Pizza, pizza. And you're very happy when mommy orders pizza for you. Let's write P I Z pizza. Let's write the P capital. P I Z A pizza. Next, cream. You love cream. Yes? Different flavored cream also we can have. Spell cream, CREAM, cream. And what do? You lick it there. Yummy. Let's try. C R E A M, cream. Let's write the C capital. C R E A M, cream. Now, you like bread. With bread, you like to put something colorful on top of it. Yummy, tasty. What is that? Jam. What's the flavored jam you like? Strawberry jam, pineapple jam. What do you do with the jam? Put it between the bread or put it on your biscuit and eat. Spell jam. J-A-M, jam. Let's try. J-A-M, jam. Let's write J capital. J-A-M, jam. What the next food you like to eat? You like to eat lovely big bun with lots of layers inside it. You go to with your friends, go out and eat. What is that called? A big thing. Burger. What does the burger have? They take a big bun, put butter, they put a nice lettuce, they put a tomato, then they will put a cucumber, they'll put nice cutlet, they'll put lovely cream, sauce, and then top it with the other piece of bun. And it's a huge one, very tasty. Burger, B-U-R-G-E-R, burger. Let's write B U R G E R, burger. It's a full meal. by itself. Let's write the B capital. B, U, R, G, E, R. Burger. Let's look at the food, your favorite food. First, pizza. P-I-Z-Z-A, pizza. Cream. C-R-E-A-M, cream. Next, jam. J-A-M, jam. Burger. B-U-R-G-E-R, burger. Let's take the next four set of food you love. What do you ask mommy in the morning and evening? You love to drink that. Sometimes warm, sometimes cold. What is that? Milk. You like flavored milk, plain milk, chocolate milk. Yes, anything that you love. Now, how do you spell milk? M-I-L-K, milk. Why do you like to drink milk? It makes you strong. Children must drink milk both morning and evening. And mommy says, drink it. You'll become a very pretty, strong child. Milk. M-I-L-K. Milk. Let's write. M-I-L-K. Milk. Let's write M capital. M-I-L-K. Milk. Now, from milk, you can make something very delicious you love to eat for lunch. Yogurt. Yogurt is what you love to eat with your rice. Y-O-G-H-U-R-T. Yogurt. And sometimes you get flavored yogurt too. Let's write Y-O-G-H-U-R-T. Most children love to eat yogurt. Let's write Y capital. Y O G H U R T. Yogurt. What is that you like to eat for breakfast? Something round, the little brown hen gives you. Eggs. You love to eat eggs? What type of egg you like? Bullseye, boiled egg, scrambled egg, eggs in different form. Let's write egg. Spell E-G-G, egg. Good. E-G-G, egg. Eggs are very delicious. They make you strong. Let's write E capital. E-G-G, egg. Now, there's another type of cake that mommy makes at home. She uses milk and egg and flour and makes lots of nice things. She put sugar inside that. What is that? Pancake. When you come evening from school, you say, Mama, make me a couple of pancakes. Very delicious. And you eat it nice and warm. Yes? P-A-N-C-A-K-E, pancake. Let's write P-A-N, pan. C-A-K-E, pancake. Let's write the P capital. P-A-N-C-A-K-E, pancake. Look at your favorite food. Let's look at Milk, you love to drink. Milk, M-I-L-K, milk. Yogurt, Y-O-G-H-U-R-T, yogurt. Egg, E-D-D, egg. Pancake, P-A-N-C-A-K-E, pancake.